Hello guys, good morning my people. This is Yutuko Engineering Services, the house plan market. Yes, this is one of our construction work where we are carrying out renovation. I think I've discussed about this particular project before now. So just like as you are seeing now, we are done with the new staircase and we have entered into the second phase of the job. Okay, the first phase of the job is to create a new staircase. So once we are done with that one, the next thing now is to connect the slab. Okay, this is our second phase. This is where our old staircase was located. So what we intend doing here now is to demolish this staircase completely, okay, and connect this particular beam to this other area so that we can have this whole place as a single hall, okay, and bring back the face of this particular building. So that's what we are going to be doing in this second phase as we continue the work exercise. I'll keep updating you guys until we finish everything we are doing here. Thank you once again and God bless you.